appearances for the record.
Good afternoon, Patrick Muscat on behalf of the people working on your people.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. John J. Holler on behalf of Mr. Joseph Gentz, who's seated at the council table with me.
Very good. The purpose of this hearing is to make a determination. Mr. Gentz had previously made a plea agreement to a lesser charge, as well as an agreement to testify truthfully in this matter. It's come to the court's attention that during voir dire, there was an issue that was raised by the attorneys that represent Mr. Bashara that Mr. Gentz would be called by them. And the purpose of this hearing is for clarification by the court to find out what, in fact, your client plans to do so that the respective parties, will be able to be informed so that they can tailor their arguments accordingly.
Your Honor, I visited with Mr. Gentz most recently yesterday evening in Lincoln County Jail, and he informed me very clearly that unless his plea arrangement was reworked, he was not going to testify for anybody in this case. Not the defense, not the prosecution. His previous plea agreement didn't matter to him. He understands that there could be consequences and ramifications for that. He's adamant that he was promised that once he testified in this case against Bob Bashara, or just testified in this case, consistent with what he placed on the record on December 21st, 2012 in this courtroom, that prosecutor would motion this court for a reduction in sentence to 5 years. I know that wasn't placed on the record. He's adamant that some accommodation for that then be made to him, or he will not testify, and that's the long and short.
Very good. Madam Prosecutor.
Your Honor, people had structured this case from the very beginning to proceed even if Mr. Gentz did not cooperate. The court will note that the preliminary examination took place without him testifying. Mr. Gentz has been convinced by jailhouse lawyers that he is a star witness, and that if he says no, that we will drop to our knees and give him a lesser plea deal. As recently as an hour ago, he had Mr. Holler call me and ask me if we give him 9.5 to 25 for him to testify. He's being misled by the jailhouse lawyers. We have never, from day one, put all our eggs in the Joe Gentz basket, and we will not renegotiate his plea. We will not give him a better plea deal than the one he bargained for. So if he refuses to testify, that's on him.
And you are aware, Mr. Gentz, that they could later, after this hearing is conducted, they could move to withdraw this plea. Do you understand that?
Yeah,
And reinstate the original charge.
I understand that.
And you're aware of that?
Yes, ma'am.
And it's your desire at this time not to testify for either party?
No, ma'am.
Oh, and I just want to put on the record, Your Honor, that also the jailhouse lawyers have indicated to him that duress is a defense to first-degree murder. Throughout this whole incident, even when he was trying to withdraw his pleas, he never said that he didn't kill Jane Bashara, and he never said that he did not kill Jane Bashara at the behest of defendant Mr. Bashara. He is only saying now, because the jailhouse lawyers has told him that duress is a defense to murder, that he should not be held accountable. In the state of Michigan,
I'm not going to get into that,
Okay.
but let me just say this to you. Okay, Mr. Gantz? I would not take any advice from anybody that's locked up themselves on how to get out. I just wouldn't do that. And if in fact that's what somebody is telling you, that is not the state of the law, because it is not a defense. And you, be quiet. You got to be careful about taking information from people. You have a very highly respected attorney at law that I put on this matter to talk to you about what can happen. My fear is that you may be concerned about what you're getting now. What if they decide to withdraw that, proceed with the first-degree murder? Now, I don't know if you know this or not. It took us 100 people that we had to go through prospectively just to get a hearing for Mr. Bashara. I hope that does not happen to you. I cannot guarantee it. So I hope that you do not believe that because you choose not to testify, that is your right. But you do understand that if the people decide that they want to withdraw this plea because you have not fulfilled your obligation, you understand they can withdraw it and they can proceed against you. You understand that?
I understand.
For the first-degree murder. Do you understand
Yes,
that?
I understand that.
And it's your desire not to testify for the people. Is that
That's
correct?
right.
Well, this hearing is, thank you.
Judge, I have one final matter.
Yes.
I rewrote Mr. Gentz's motion for relief of judgment brief. It was filed under seal. Members, now that we have a jury seated, pre-trial publicity for an untainted jury was not what it was. I've been requested by members of the media if we would unseal that brief, I could distribute it to them in the interest of being aware of what's happening in our legal system.
Well, you know what, at this time, I'm not going to do that. And because I don't know if this proceeding is, this part of it is over, but we don't know what may come further out of this. And I just feel, I think that it's best if those arguments are left under seal until there's a proper determination as to what is going to happen with Mr. Gentz, whether the people may withdraw their plea and proceed with him, or they may not. But I would like to at least wait until the end of the the end of the trial with Mr. Bashara before I entertain anything like that. Very good. Thank you so much.
Oh, actually, Your Honor, one other thing.
Yes.
I know the Madam Prosecutor has been very clear, and she has been very adamant. And
You can sit down, Mr. Gentz.
what I think that there's no mistaking what the position is. She's very, very clear on it. Let me make a suggestion. Things are more dynamic and fluid sometimes than they seem.
Wait a minute. Let him make a record.
Why don't we keep Mr. Gentz down here for at least a week? Somebody in the prosecutor's office might have a different idea about how to approach this. I'm just making a suggestion to keep it. Madam Prosecutor, she's captain of the ship. She can do what she needs to us in the interest.
Judge,
Somebody might change their mind, is what I'm saying.
nobody is going to change their mind. As I stated before, as far back as the preliminary examination, we prepared for the eventuality that Mr. Gentz would not testify. We don't need his testimony. If he wants to withdraw, if he wants to refuse to testify, that's on him. We're ready to go. And no, you can send him back. There's going to be no changing of any minds in this matter.
Very good. I'm going to send you back, Mr. Gentz. That concludes this matter. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Can I go back tonight?
You certainly can.
Thank you.